some traders, they talk about key level. Key level is the normal key level is something about significant support and resistance stuff, blah blah blah. But no, I'm not going to touch that, because what I'm going to touch is about the entry, the setup, and the entry. So the strongest key level is about the combination of the two in one setup at the same location. So if you don't understand now, I'm going to show you. This is how it looks like. Okay, for example, we saw QM reversal, and at the same time we saw QMC in the same location. So now you can see here we have high, low, higher high, and lower low. And at the same time we saw QM continuation. We saw QMC, high, low, higher high, lower low, and we also have confluence and and price react here. So here I show you how it looks like in the chart. Okay, so we have QM reversal here. We have high, low, higher high, lower low. And at the same time, we saw QMC. We have high, low, higher high, lower low, and we have confluence. So this is our entry. Okay, and next example, we have here, we have QM reversal. We have low, high, lower low, and higher high. And at the same time, we saw QMC. They are in the same location, remember. Okay, we have low, high, lower low, higher high, and confluence. So we have QM reversal and we have QMC. They are in the same location. So this is our entry. Okay, and and yeah, wait. Okay, so this one also, I try to make it bigger. Oh, I cannot. Okay, so we can see that this is SNRC2. We have strong resistance and we have drop, base, rally. And at the same time, we have QM continuation. We have low, high, lower low, and higher high. So yeah, you can see the price came back and continued flat. So this is the strongest key level and combination of the setup. Okay. And here is another example. We have QM reversal. We have high, low, higher high, and lower low. And at the same time, we can see here we have strong support in the same line with rally base drop. Okay, so this is SNRC2 setup. Okay, and the price came back and continued fall. So yeah. And here also we have QM, we have high, low, higher high, and lower low. And at the same time, we can see that this is the strongest, the strong support. And we have rally base drop. This rally base drop formed in bearish engulfing. And then the price came back and continue fall. See, this is 2-in-1 setup. Okay, and yeah, this is the last we have. Yeah, and as you can see, this is QM manipulation. We have high, low, higher high, lower low, and then price break and make rally base rally. Okay, and at the same time, we also have QM reversal, low, high, lower low, higher high. So we have two setups in one location. Okay, and the price came back and continue fly. Okay, so guys, you so far do you understand of my explanation? Wait, where's to see the question? Yep. Can you guys? The question section is so small. Can you please, if you have question, you just write in the latest update in pop notes. So guys, any question? I think this is just simple because you know for me it's not always happen, but it occurs. Just don't miss this chance. Just don't miss this chance. Okay. It's not only two in one setup. Sometimes you can see three in one setups, but it's it's very rare. It's very rare. Like for example, you can see here, this is the strongest. This is my during my compounding. Uh, like at the same time I saw QM reversal, and at the same time I saw QM manipulation. And when I go to the daily candle in the higher time frame, I saw a bullish engulfing. Okay, so yeah, so we have two in one, and we also have a very strong confirmation. So yeah, yes, it's still valid. They are in the same location. The last example of QMM and QM is an opposing. No, it's not opposing. It's in the same location. So since this is very rare, is it good for FM? Yeah, it's good for FM. Any question, guys? Can use weak as left shoulder? Yeah, no problem. But usually I like to use body candle, or but depends, sometimes I always miss the setup if I use weak. For example, this is also QM reversal. Okay, but I like to I like to start by from here, but if you feel okay with this week, yeah, keep on going. Yeah, but I don't really like sniper entries, guys. So I like to start with body candle. Yeah, because sometimes I always miss the bus if I start from the week. Yeah. Okay. So okay. So next question. What's the lowest time frame do you use? Um, M15. I very rare use M5 and M1. But there's always setup there in M1 and M5, but I don't like it. It'd be too headache for me, so I start with M15 and above. Yeah. How to know the directions of the market since the setup with confirmation still can't fail. Um, if the price didn't respect the setup, so it means that the setup got no confirmation. So, and number two, if the price still didn't respect the setup, even this setup got confirmation, it means that you miss the direction. So, in Bystra, I don't really talk about direction because, you must really have to know the strong SNR knowledge, means support and resistance knowledge. If you want to know more about it, you can learn in Legacy Bystra or Bystra Legacy. Soon they will open because I don't really talk about the direction in my teachings. Yeah, it all involved a very major rally-based drop and drop-based rally. If we see LAB and QMC in low time frame, do you agree? No trend line. QMC must have confluence. They must have trend line. If there's no trend line, that is not QMC, that is QMR. Okay, no rally-based rally at the same level as entry point. Rally-based rally, yes. I always depends on rally-based rally. If this got no rally-based rally, I'm not going to entry even the higher time frame formed a bullish engulfing, a very big, beautiful bullish engulfing, because this is the entry point. This is a very, very good entry point. That's why in my pop notes, I I um I wrote the entry point. We got four entry point really. Base drop, base rally. They are entry point. Yeah, this one, the entry point. If we got no entry point, we don't know where we put our entry. Like seriously. Okay. Teacher, thank you for the English version of Legacy Bystra. Yeah, they will open soon. They are very good in direction, danger zone stuff. Please just learn from them. Seriously, that's the best. Any question, guy? Teacher, which time frame really like to see? I like to start with M15, especially gold. Yeah, but depends on what type of trader are you. Maybe you like to start with M5 with M1, but for me, I got headache to see the candle moving from M1. So yeah, I start with M15. And where should we put our SL? Where should we put our SL? Okay. Yeah, I got many questions about this too. That's why, guys, that's why entry point is very important because from entry point we can know that where we put our SL. For me, my SL is not more than 30 pips as like here. Let me show you. So this is my entry point from here. So I'm going to put my SL like, yeah, 30 pips from here until here. So this is my SL. Okay. So this is my SL. I'm not going to, because this is entry point. So the entry point is uh, 30 pips from our entry point, the stop loss. Okay. But who wants to put SL in this beautiful setup? We have bullish engulfing. We have a very, very strong confirmation. You kidding me? Okay. What do you think about danger zone? Danger zone. It's a very long conversation if I talk about danger zone. Wait. Yep. So when I talk about danger zone, I like to talk about hybrid, guys. Please refer back to my hybrid. Um, Kenapa tak boleh jalan ni? Kejap Yep. Yeah. This one I will show you later lah. Do we have to set break-even once entry? Do we break-even once entry is positive? Yeah, for me, break-even when the price have moved more than 40, 50 pips. Yeah, I set break-even there. Which one is stronger, rally-based rally or drop-based rally? Of course, drop-based rally. Because drop-based two trends. It's uptrend and downtrend. This rally consists two they are reversal. Teacher, what's your thoughts on GU? Do you think GU making QMC in higher time frame? GU, let me see. Whoa, where's QMC? I cannot find QMC. No QMC. QMC. No QMC. I cannot see any QMC here. Yeah. How many entries you take a day? Honestly, I don't trade every day. I feel, for example, that if I have my own target, like I feel like okay, today, no, I mean like today enough for me to make like a hundred or 200,000 or whatever. I mean like on my own target, I think it's enough for me. I'm not going to trade every day. Yeah. If you guys say I don't trade every day, but I used to trade every day because gold always give setups. Like you can see they give setups in lower time frame and mostly in lower time frame. So yeah, so if you want to trade every day, just check on gold. They are when I decide to cut, and you decide I decide to cut loss when the price close more. I mean like when the price close exceeded from the entry point. For example, okay, so this is our entry point, right? This high here our entry point. When the price, for example, when the price close here, yeah, and it's not really beautiful because they have exceeded our entry point, or like this, when the price close the candle here, exceeded from entry point. So yeah, usually they will leave the week. Okay, so yeah, that's where I got lost. When you did, okay, can you compound my account, teacher? We share profit 50-50. Yeah, can. I'm going to start compound again, but I don't know. I have no spirit right now. Compound. Yeah, I will compound, but not now. I have to release the what rare compounding formula. Time keep the meantime you keep entry, teacher, if you entry based on 30 minutes. I don't know. I don't know. I know. I have no idea. Minimum, no, because price are very unpredictable. So I don't know. Sometimes like when I enter, suddenly they move, zoop, suddenly it reached 100 pips, and then I got to know that got news today. So yeah, and sometimes I entry and it takes like it making sideways a bit. Yeah. So I don't know. I really don't know. Can you show us a simple way to see this? To see what? I think I explained simple already. More simple way. I don't understand. Why at times price respect the setup, but it only goes to half of the mandatory TP zone and it reverse. Oh, this one is if I have example, I will show you. But where is the example? Money. What's your name? F. F. I screenshot your question and I will include in pop notes. I will update. I will answer your question in the next post of pop notes, okay? If we have a SNRC buy setup, we see price has not touched danger zone, but it's broken trend line. Does our buys then change now? What do you mean? If we have SNRC buy, we see the price. Oh, no, it's not about broken trend line. No, it's okay if broken trend line as long as it doesn't touch danger zone. That's it. Don't worry about the trend line. Trend line is just a confluence. There's nothing more about it. Okay? How about MM? How do you need your MM? Don't ask about MM to me because I'm not good with MM, guys. No, yeah. How to know danger zone? This one is not I think if you want to learn more about danger zone, you can study or you can access into the Bystra legacy because in my syllabus I don't talk much about danger zone, guys. Yeah. Teacher, can you show me the latest field setup you entry? Yeah, sure. I show you this field setup. I have a revenge on this setup. Wait. Money. Um, money. Okay, here. I filled here. This is the place that I filled. Okay. Um, we have low, high, lower low, and higher high. And if the price immediately come, and then yeah, you can consider that. But the thing is, the price making a late retest. They're making sideways, and then suddenly break. And you can see we have bearish engulfing, but it's not a solid bearish engulfing like I show in the pop notes, but it's just this kind of bearish engulfing. And at the same time, this price have touched danger zone. That's so my mistake. All right, and then the price came back and yeah, and hit my I gained profit a little bit, but yeah, and suddenly it hit my entry point and okay, so be careful when the price have touched a danger zone. What is danger zone? For me, danger zone is a major major supply or major demand. It's a major drop based rally here. Okay, so this is my mistake. Teacher can become master copy trader. We can just join win-win situation. Win-win situation. Yeah, I heard about copy trade. Copy trade. Yeah, I don't know. Uh, I don't trade every day, guys. That's why I do like I wanna do copy trade. You guys will be bored. Say that. "Hey, where's Nora? Why there's no entry today? Where's Nora? Why there's no entry today?" Yeah, so that will be the problem. Okay, so any question, guys? Teacher, I'm a software developer and was wondering if you have thought about creating an EA. Ah, no, no, I don't know. EA is a indicator, is it? What is it? I don't know about EA. You know, everything is manual. EA is robot, right? I don't know. I don't know more about EA. Yeah. Teacher, since you mentioned when the candle closed above our entry, we can cut loss, but which time frame candle you prefer? Okay. Where's mine? Okay. Like this, right? For me, um, you can see here the price have close exit from the entry point, right? You can see here. But why I didn't close, it's because in higher time frame have made bullish engulfing. But like you cannot see like M30. If you see M30, it will be more scary. M30 or M50, it will be more scary, guys. And you see the price make bearish engulfing. No, if you see setup in H start and you see the movement in H4. If you see setup in H1, you see the movement in the H1. Yeah, okay. So basically, danger zone is major SNR. Yes, it's a major SNR. It's daily and above. When you set BE, is it after the price leave the entry zone or after it? When do you it has reached the compulsory TP? Usually, after price have run more than 50 pips. Yeah, I put my BE. But sometimes I don't put BE. Oh, expert advisor like robot. I have no idea about robot. No, everything is manual. Teacher, can you show me your entry last week? It's on JJ. I will post in my IG. It's in JJ. Last week did I entry? No. If you PO trigger but price decide to do sideways and didn't not follow it, but price decide to do sideways and did not follow trend line, will you manual close? For me, trend line is not really important because the first thing is entry point. Like I give you example here. The price making late retest, right? The first thing is the most important thing is the entry point. You don't no need to care about trend line because some traders they will put the trend line like this, like week to week. They have no idea. Yeah, like week to week, something like this. No, it's okay. For me, entry point is the most important one. Like, yeah, like this one, some traders don't be disturbed about trend line, guys. It's just trend line is something double up your confidence. Yeah, nothing much. Because the most important is the entry point. Okay? Can I explain about blind spot? No, no. Blind spot. It it's have recorded. I can watch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got record. No worries. Teacher, we have signal group. No, we don't have signal so far, but I am considering it until I finish complete 100,000 of backtest. Currently, I have made 33,000. I have backtest so far. So yeah, be ready. Like in Georgia, 6. Like in GBP Canada, last entry sideways for some time. Did you leave it? Yes, I leave it. I take a little bit profit and I leave it and it hit my SL. I didn't cut profit. I just leave it. And yeah, it hit my stop loss. The best time to do analysis when London market open. Sometimes I do market analysis in the morning, but for me, during the London Open, I usually look for the setup, look for the opportunity. Yeah. Teacher Trading View backtest have to pay. Yeah, but they have a free package. I think free one for 1 month. Yeah, you can try. Teacher, how shall I get your YouTube video preview at the present moment? Yeah, so for you just click the Bystra and then some of my students they have repost my videos back. You just put Bystra there. You can see my videos. So far, I don't have any videos. And lately I cannot access my YouTube. I cannot access my email because someone have changed my password. I have no idea. It happened lately. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Um, when we draw confluence or trend line, you don't have to be accurate, guys. You don't have to be accurate for example, like this one, right? Um, okay. Some of you maybe will draw a trend line like this, and you expect the price will come, and then suddenly you feel panic. Oh my God, the price have already exceeded. What should I do? No, no need. It's okay. Um, you don't have to be accurate about the trend line because the most important thing is entry point. Entry point, okay? As long as you see, okay, it looks like QMC, and then in higher time frame we have, oh, okay, we have collapse. Okay, fine, cool. We have confirmation. Yeah, cool. Okay, so don't bother about the trend line, okay? Next. Do you still enter trade when it's Friday market going to close? I don't see, I don't, sometimes I forgot what today is this. If I see the setup, I just go on with it. It's not about Monday, it's not about Friday. Some traders say that, oh, because the price going to, sorry, the market going to close, so this one, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, I don't believe that. You see setup, you see good setup, you see perfect setup, yeah, you just go on with it. This strategy, just ignore the news. It's not about ignore. For me, I don't like noise. For me, um, yeah, I don't care about news. I don't really watch news. I don't really care about news. But if you think that news is good for you, yeah, just keep going. Make new channel, YouTube. Hmm, I don't know. I have no comment about this. Teacher, if we had QMR sell in one and another setup cell on M15 with the same line, that's also two in one, be two in one. Yeah, yeah. As long as they are in the same location, when you mark it, they are in the same location. Yeah. Okay. Teacher, in the gold chart, doesn't price already touch danger zone on 28th April? Let me see. 28th April. Mana 28th April? Doesn't price already touch danger zone? 28th April. Which April? Wow, why so far? 28th April. We have a lot of danger zone here. Danger zone. Wait, you mean this 28th April, right? Yeah, Mars already touched danger zone. You mean this danger zone, right? Is it? What's your name? Ummi Arafa? The H1 chart. No, when we talk about danger zone, it referred to the higher time frame, guys. Um, yeah, I cannot see well. Wow, so far. Mars already touched danger zone. If you want to learn more about danger zone, you can learn in Bystra Legacy in English version. Yeah, what I see, yeah, price already touched danger zone. This is danger zone. This is drop base rally. Okay. Okay, guys. Any question, guys? Mm, mm. Okay, so I think that's all for now. And yeah, uh, I think, but you guys understand, right? My explanation about the key level combination. Uh, because if you search in Google, if you search, most traders they say that this is key level, and anything that significant support and resistance is key level. But I don't want to talk about that kind of key level. I want to talk about setup, about the place, the chance we're going to entering. Okay, so I think that's all for now, and thank you. I will release the rare compounding formula webinar shortly. And yeah, mm, thank you very much and salam alaikum. Bye.